Let's talk about my car. I got a Toyota CHR, 2019, I think. Yeah, 2019. How did I go about it? What did I consider? Did I buy it outright? Did I finance? Let's talk about it. Open book. If you want to buy a car, there are three ways. You buy it outright with cash. The car costs 10K. You give the dealer 10K. The car is yours. You go home. Now you can finance it. Now for financing, you have PCP or HP finance. What's the difference? HP finance, more or less, you see an Audi you like. The car costs 20K. You can't afford to buy it outright in cash. Instead, what you do is you pay a deposit and then pay for the car on a monthly basis. So that way, after 2, 3, 4 years of paying, the car is now yours. Now, this makes sense if you know for sure that's the car you want. If you see a Mercedes and you just love that car and you know for sure, in 4, 3 years, I want that to still be my car, then go for it. Now with PCP, same as HP Finance, you pay for the car monthly. At the end of your contract of 48 months, after paying monthly, you then decide, do you want to keep the car or get a new car? And that's a major difference. HP Finance, you keep the car at the end. PCP, you decide to keep the car or not. And if you do decide, you give a balloon payment. Now, for me, I knew for sure I wasn't going to buy a car outright. Cash was out of the option. Now it was PCP versus HP Finance. In my mind, there was no car I really wanted. I'm not really a car person, which might shock you guys. I don't know that much about cars. I'm not a car person. So if I misspeak or I say some BS, call me out in the comments. I'm open to learning, but there was no car. I was like, oh, I can't wait to have this car. So HP Finance out of the way. Now I left with PCP. Now, in my mind, I only considered 3 brands: Toyota, Mercedes, and BMW. My car was going to be one of those brands. Why? Because Mercedes, sort of luxury. Audi, BM, same boat. Toyota, reliable. Now, in my mind, I wasn't willing to spend more than £500 a month for both the monthly payments of the car and insurance. Together, they had to be under £500. That was a very hard criteria. I can afford to pay 3K for a car quite comfortably, but it doesn't make sense to. I'm going to use the car to go to the gym in the morning and on weekends and then travel a bit with my girlfriend. That's more or less it. I have no emotional tie to having a luxury car and overspending on a Mercedes. So I went to Auto Trader, I went to different dealer websites, and more or less, based on my criteria, the Toyota CHR was the best option. For Mercedes and BMW, I could find cars under $350 for the PCP payment, but for insurance, they were always like £300, £400. The Toyota CHR met all my criteria. Took around a week to get the car, and I'm quite happy with it. It moves fast, it's a small SUV. The trunk space isn't the best, but I just have gym stuff in there right now. And you get a car is like a new chapter in your life. It's just something that, oh, I have an apartment, I have a car. I'm getting old. But yeah, I don't know. Did I make the right choice? Put it down in the comments. If you're a car expert, maybe tell me what I can do better, how I can improve something. I don't know. Just let me know. I'm a finance bro, not a car finance bro. Hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, please drop a comment, leave a like, share to your freaking friends, tell them to subscribe, tell your mom to subscribe, tell your dad to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.